Okay, let's go through the answers you should have found in section 2.1.1. Section I, 1 if you like, 746 should be pronounced 746. Number 2, 8357 should be pronounced 8357. Section 3, 1523654 should be pronounced 1,523,654. 4. 1866 should be spoken as 1,866. Now we come to a price, part 5. NT 7800. We would say 7,800 NT. Number 6. This is a pounds, UK pounds, 12.50. We would pronounce it £12, 50 pence. 7. Now we have a euro price, 25.75. We'd pronounce this in words as 25 euros and 75 cents. Part 8, we have a phone number. It's the numbers are 0088642568989. Now, if we use what we've learned so far to read these numbers out, we might start off with 00886 4256 8989. 2.1.2 Punctuation. What does a comma indicate in an English number? Well, it tells the speaker to pause and breathe. Number 2, what is this symbol? It's a question mark, and it's used to indicate to the reader that the sentence is a question. Number 3, in the USA, we call it a period. In the UK, we call it a full stop. It's a British full stop. Number 4, what's this symbol? Well, it's an exclamation mark. We use this when we're doing words like wow or golly, and we want to express to the reader that we need to add a little bit more. Number 5, what is this symbol? 2 dots, one above the other. Well, it's a colon. Number 6, what is this symbol? And we have 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines over the top. And most of us know it as the hash sign. 7, when do we use these symbols? And you'll often see people doing this when we use quotation marks. And we use them when we're writing down the exact words of what a person said. 2.1.3. More symbols that we use for email addresses. Number 1, Keith_Wong@itc-company.com. It's an underscore that we're looking for. Number 2, we have the curly at. That's an easy one. Most people know at. Number 3, we use the word hyphen, or more commonly, dash. And I think everybody knows that we use the word dot when we're talking about .com companies. Number 5, we're using the symbol for hash again. And number 6, we're using the symbol for star. Number 7, difficult one. We're using opening parentheses. In the UK, we use the word bracket. And it's when we put things in brackets either side, we have opening parentheses and closing parentheses. That's number 7 and number 8 respectively. Number 9, we have a forward slash, and number 10, the more common backslash. Okay, moving on now to 2.1.4, where we did a vocabulary exercise to test your knowledge of phrases and writing sentences. You will have your own sentences. I'm going to give you my variation only. Number 1, to call somebody back. My sentence, can I call you back in 30 minutes? I need to see Kim. Number 2, to connect. David isn't here today. Let me connect you to his secretary. Number 3, to get cut off. Hi, it's David again. I'm afraid we got cut off. Number 4, to get in touch. My sample was ask Arnold to please get in touch as soon as he can. Number 5, to read something back to somebody. My sentence, okay, let me read that back to you to make sure I've got it down correctly. To spell something. My sentence, could you spell that for me, please? To speak up or ask somebody to speak a little louder. I'm sorry, your voice is very faint. Could you speak a little louder, please? Taking a message. Could I take a message for you? Number 9, you're asking someone to hold. Would you mind holding while I transfer your call? Number 10, to receive a phone call. Hi Keith, you received a call while you were out. The message is on your desk. Moving on now to the questions that we saw for Conversation 1. I have a question about your variable light switches. Are you the right person to speak to? What was your question? Could you tell me what the unit price would be for orders over 5,000 units delivered to the UK? That was the BD 5528, right? Sorry, I didn't catch the second price. We then went on for the questions and the missing words in Conversation 2. I'm calling about the order you emailed to us on Monday. I just wanted to check it. Do you have a pen? Would you like me to spell that for you? And finally, let me just read that back to you. Sorry, what was the postcode again? We then went on to the questions in 2.2.2, reading comprehension questions. Most of these are, which of these sentences do you think sounds the best? Question 1. The answer was C. Hello, this is Sheila. How may I help you? Question 2. May I just check to make sure I have your address correct? Answer C. Number 3. Again, answer C. May I assume local delivery is free of charge? Question 4. B. Might I ask how long I can expect to wait for delivery? Question 5. Answer B. Would it be possible for us to meet tomorrow? Question 6. Answer C. Hello, I'm calling to check what time you close today. Question 7. Answer B. Hello, what might I do for you? We then moved on to active listening questions. 2.3.3 asked us to complete the telephone conversation between Paula and Ivan with words from the box to illustrate our understanding of active listening. I'll read this conversation to you. Paula: Hi there, I'm looking for some information about shipping salmon. I need rather a lot sending to Norway and very quickly. Can you help me? Ivan: Certainly. May I ask you some quick questions, then we can progress your inquiry. May I ask your name, and do you know if you have an account with us? Paula: I'm Paula McDonald, CEO at PMD Fisheries, and yes, we do have an account. Our account number is 456-88965. Ivan: So that's 456-88956, and your name again is Pauline. Paula: No, let me say that again. I'm Paula, and the account number is 456-88956. Ivan: Sorry, Paula, the line is not too good. 456-88956. Okay, I have your account here. PMD in Scotland. Is that right? Paula says, yes, that's right. Ivan: Well, that takes care of most of the questions. And you want to ship to Norway, yes? Paula answers with, yes, to Norway as soon as possible. Ivan: Norway, as soon as possible. How much salmon? Paula: 100 tons. Ivan: Sorry? Did you say you wanted to ship 100 tons? Paula replies with, yes, I know it's a lot. Our biggest ever order. So it must go as soon as possible. When is your next shipment? Ivan says, you're in luck. In just 7 days. We have a ship leaving Fort William on March the 1st, but you will need to use 5 refrigerated containers to get them there. Do you have them available? Paula: Yes, all arranged. They'll be loaded tomorrow and on the road tomorrow night. I can get them to the docks by 3 p.m. on April the 30th. So March the 1st, yes, that's perfect. Ivan: Yes, that would just about make it in time. Did you say arriving by 3 p.m.? Yes, that should be fine. The boat is the Norwegian Salmon. How ironic. Let me read that back to you. 5 containers, 100 tons, boarding Norwegian Salmon, February the 27th, sailing March the 1st. Is that everything? Paula: Aye, laddie, that should be grand. We then went on to section 2.4, where we had some typical voicemail greetings. I'll run through the answers you should have found for the questions early on. So, number 1, the missing word was reached. Reached. Number 2, unfortunately. Unfortunately. Number 3, available. Available. Number 4, a message. A message. Number 5, tone. Tone. And number 6, as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Number 7, hi, this is. Hi, this is. Number 8, calling for. Calling for. Number 9, confirmed the date and time. Confirmed the date and time. And finally, number 10, the word that's missing, soon. Soon. We then went on to 2.4.2, using prepositions in voicemails, and we had some missing words to put in there. I'll read out the full sentence for you with the missing word stressed. Number 1, unfortunately, no one is available to take your call at the moment. Number 2, hi, this is Keith Miles calling for Alison Jennings. Number 3, perhaps you could get back to me as soon as possible. Number 4, I will be in the factory until about 12 noon, then out for lunch until 1 p.m. Number 5, I'm calling about the email David sent to me last week. Number 6, please leave a message after the tone and then send me a fax message on +44 1254 397 015.